Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode on your Forex.com application using mobile device. To turn off the dark mode in the Forex.com app, first of all, launch the Forex.com application open on your device. Now once you're inside this home section, tap on your account button at the bottom right, and then you will come across this account page where you need to click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Select Theme. Under Theme, you will see the Light and Dark option. By default, you will be able to see the dark mode enabled on your Forex.com app. To change it to something light, make sure to tap on Light option. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to change your theme from dark to light on Forex.com. The app will switch to light mode and the interface will be brighter. So that is how you can easily revert Forex.com to light mode if it has a default black theme. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Trading for Beginners for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.